buy the books for free? Are the books really available for free? Can I get those free books? Where are those free books available? So hey friends, those free books are really available on my channel, and I am going to tell you where are these free books come. So first of all, let me tell you that this video demands your subscription, your like button, and also your loving comments that made me motivate to make the more videos. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel please. Okay, so friends, I am Kitty. Welcome on Writers Write. I am your YouTuber, blogger, book reviewer, and current guest too. So first of all, use the library. How's this idea? Don't you think so? Many of you think that this idea is the most common thing. We all do this, but the problem that we face is there are no such libraries near us, or the school libraries does not facilitate us, or the college libraries are those, and most of those libraries that are in the institutions like school or the college have the syllabus books. So where do we can get these books? You can get these books if you are living in a city where all around there are books, and the books are freely available to you just on a membership card. It depends upon you if they are available on membership card or for a subscription fee or anything. So you can try this if this option is available to you. Now move on to the next option that is available to you if you are not access to the previous option. So the next option is sharing is caring. Yes, sharing is caring, obviously we all know. So what does this mean to the books is get the books that is available around you with the friends. So if you want to read 5 to 6 books but you have the money to buy the book for only one, you can get access on those books by having the collection of the money from your friends, and you can read them by turn, and this is the most common way, and also you can use to increase your friendship, and this will help you a lot. Now my third tip is that is for those people who are not readily agreed upon those 2 tips, but these are the books that I am going to tell you for the free ebooks. These are the ebooks. Previous books are available to you as in paperbacks or hardcovers. Okay, so this ebooks you can get this by searching the keyword bookclub.com. Yes, sorry, I got my tongue got twisted, but actually yes, this is very interesting because you can just type book club, and while you do enter in your it, and you just sign up it, and there you can get access on free books every day. This club sends you a mail of which type of book do you want, and this is very easy process. You just have to enter in the book club keyword that website, and there you will ask many questions like which type of books do you read, in which format do you like the most, and do you prefer on buying the books or reading free ebooks. So it's upon to you that which option do you choose, but according to me, as this video suggests, free ebooks, so you can go ahead with the free ebooks, and every new day you will get many free ebooks, and yes, those books will be easily available on the Kindle, Amazon Kindle. Just you have to get the your eyes on which book today is available, and this will be really very helpful to you who are passionate to read each and every book every new day. Okay, now the next book is this onlinebookclub.org or .in. Just type online book club. That's very easy to do, or I can leave a description. I can leave the link in the Amazon in this description box, because this will help you in 2 ways. You can earn money, and also you can read those books for free, because the thing is this site gives you the option to read the books and review them, that I prefers to do, but nowadays I'm still blank. I'm not doing all these things. But yes, what does this helps you to is, if you are not interested in reviewing the books for them or for paying just, or you want to just read for your passion, then just sign it to for once, read the book for once and review it for them for once. What will it help you? They will not pay you for the first time, they will start to pay you from the next time, but for the start you will be readily agreed according to their terms and conditions, and you will be signed up as their member in the in that website. And every new day you will get the free ebook details in your Gmail account or on your mail ID. And that's what I get. Yes, this is very easy. You just had to get the new book, and those books are really very free and interesting to read. It's not almost possible that you got to read very famous books and popular books every new day. You just need to develop your reading habit, and this is a very common way to develop your reading habit without indulging yourself in buying the books unless you are not passionate reader. So this will be very helpful to you. You just have to sign up for there once and take the book which is available to you. Yes, warning to you that it may be happen that every book is not available for you to read it on Amazon Kindle, but surely available on Amazon Kindle subscription. But try always be optimistic. Around every 2 days in a week you almost get a book, and this you time takes to read a complete book. So you can go ahead with this. Now the fifth more type of help is that you can get for accessing the free ebook is audiobooks. Audiobooks are the most helpful books to you for improving your English and also using your time very perfectionately, because what it happens to you is, I don't know, because I just had started listening them now only for free. So you can try audiobook by Storytel. You just had to install the app Audiobook, Audio Bytes actually, Audio Bytes, and there you can get the free ebooks where you can listen them. Sorry, not ebooks, actually they are audiobooks. You can listen them. There are series available, there are individual books available, there are many options to you. And yes, you just had to relax yourself, put your earphones on your ears and listen them very silently. This will help you a lot, because as someone other reads a book for you, and he or she will read a book for you in the different tones. So it's like a play you are just imagining in your mind, and the dialogues you are listening ahead. So yes, it's really very interesting to read. I hope this video is really very helpful to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and comment down which format of book do you read the most. And yes, for instance, all those links that I talked to you here in this video, all those links are available in the description box. Check those links that are really helpful to you. And one of my most important suggestion to you is check all those books that I recommended you. But the important thing is, after reading every book, review them, rate them, because this will help a reader, a writer, and everyone who are linked with this book, because your just one review can help the writer who wrote this book very passionately, very dedicating to their time. So I hope you can do this a single step for me to like and subscribe, and for them to review them and rate the stars. And I will suggest you do the honest review. It's not necessary that you will impress yourself that I said give 5 stars, 4 stars. It will mislead the other readers and writer too. So try to give the honest review that you thought so, and after reading a complete book. And also don't judge a book by its cover, by unknown person, or who told this, I don't know. Please comment down who told this, don't judge a book by its cover.